Hi guys, my name is Brooklynn Rhayne or Nails by Rhayne on Instagram, and today I'll be showing you how to do this super cute, super pink 90s inspired look. Stay tuned. So I already prepped the nails and did the base for the acrylic. I used Makartt's all-in-one powder porcelain. I used Madame and also Y2K Baby. And now we're going to be starting with the design using the Makartt gel polishes. First we're going to be starting off with Makartt's Blanc gel polish. It's very pretty white. Just putting a little bit. And using my Makartt dual liner brush, we're going to start with our design. So using my Makartt liner brush, I'm going to be adding a little bit of white polish to the tip. And you should have a little dollop at the very tip right here. So that way when you drag, the thinner it is at the end. We're going to be making a half rainbow, like so, dragging ever so slightly and lifting your brush up lighter as you go towards the end. So the end of the half rainbow is thinner and pointier like that. We're going to add one more on top like so, just like that. And you can fix your design so it runs a little bit more smooth coming from the end. Now I'm going to be repeating the white polish on all of the nails. Now we're going to put this in our lamp for 60 seconds. Okay, now using my Makartt Noir gel polish, adding the same amount as before what I did with the white, and using the same liner brush that I've cleaned, I'm going to doing the same process to the rest of the nails. Okay, using the same technique that I used with the white, leaving a little bit more product at the tip of the brush like this, we're going to be putting the black right next to where I put the white. And when doing this, your lines don't have to be very similar. The more different and longer and shorter they are, the better it looks. Now we're going to cure for 60 seconds. Now using my Makartt nail liner, Turn on Rosé, I'm going to be adding another dollop right on my palette. And this is going to be our accent color, our glitter. It's beautiful glitter. And we are just going to be doing kind of the same thing. Adding a little bit of product to the end of the brush. And using the glitter, we're going to be adding it in the middle of the white and the black that we just created. You see how pretty that is already? Very, very effortless, and it looks like they're already blended together. So cute. And we're going to be repeating the process to the rest of the nails. And now we're going to cure that for 60 seconds. Now what's a 90 set without swirls and dots? We're missing our dots, of course. So using the same amount of leftover gel polish that we had before, we're going to be adding dots to the ends of the swirls. Using my Makartt dual liner brush, I'm using the dotting side to dip into the white and add a few dots to this side like so. We're just creating a line to mimic where we would put another half rainbow and just add dots like so. Only on one because we're going to be adding the black to the other lines. And when you're applying your dots, you don't want to re-dip it into the polish because when you do that, it kind of creates a gradient effect by the less polish you have, making the dots smaller as you go. And it creates more of a smooth look. And we're not going to cure this just yet because we're going to be adding our black polish. Using the same technique as the white dots, we're going to be adding the black dots to the other. And now we're ready for cure. 60 seconds in the lamp they go. Now using Makartt's top coat, we're just going to be uncovering our design. And don't forget, after you apply your top coat, to run your hands down the side to ensure that you don't lose your shape. And into the lamp they go for 60 seconds. After they're out of the lamp, don't forget to top with your favorite cuticle oil. And of course, don't forget to rub it into her fingers. Thank you guys so much for staying tuned to the end and following along with this tutorial. If you like any of these products and want to shop Makartt.com. And if you want to keep up with me, at Nails by Rhayne on Instagram. Bye!